entendido. La reunión está transmitiendo en directo al seguir.
Yes, okay. Ms. Bogowski, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
I'm very well. You have Lopez Yimi
Yes,
Gomez.
I do. We're here for a review hearing today, Your Honor.
Okay, is he all set on everything he needs to do?
Yes, she is. Yes.
All right, where's Mr. Phillips?
I'm ready, Your Honor.
Good morning. I need a actual, I don't have a report.
No.
No.
Okay, I send one over right to you.
Okay. Mrs. Manarino, good morning to you.
Good morning.
How are you today? Who's your client?
Manuel Jamie.
Jamie. All right.
There are two tickets, and
Yeah, I see it.
there's actually a third that I don't know why the third one went into default. I thought they were all going to be handled together.
We'll take care of it.
Okay. Do I need him on, or can I handle for him?
Well, first of all, if he wants to stay here, he needs to commit to community service. This is a community service court. I can give you some time. He has an open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver. Now, what I want is the commitment to community service. If he's willing to commit to community service, we'll let him stay here and fight his case and go all the way through. But if it's a conviction or a plea, I want some community service hours out of him. If he doesn't want to do the community service, we'll just send him off right now to the alphabet judge that he's supposed to go to. He got his ticket out himself. Go ahead.
No, I was just going to say, I'm happy to stay here. I'm sure he is too. These were all associated with a criminal prosecution that ended up getting dismissed on basically a bad stop. So that's why we're here on these.
All right, is that going to be sort of the motion at some point on this case?
I believe that will probably be necessary. Yes.
All right. Let's call and we'll give you another court date pre-trial. I'll give you an opportunity, Mr. Goss. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Manuel Jamie, case numbers SP 139-06721, SP 139-06801, SP 140-62111. Appearance for the record, please.
Maria Manarino, P39531, on behalf of Mr. Jamie.
All right, and as far as Mr. Jamie's appearance.
Oh, I would ask the court to waive his appearance. I am in regular touch with this man.
Oh, very well. So since I'm gonna grant that motion to waive his appearance. As for purposes of arraignment.
Waive formal reading, stand mute.
All right, I'm going to enter a guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I will set aside the default in the red light ticket, and I will give a $0 bond, and I will give your client a pretrial date of January 25th, 2023 at 8:30.
January 25.
January 25. Does that work with you?
Perfect.
If there's nothing further, Ms. Manarino, you have a safe and happy holiday season. It is great to see you.
And good to see you. Although I don't actually see you, but good to see. Good to see you and have a wonderful holiday, you and your family and staff. Thank you.
Okay, I like to be seen. All right, there you
Oh,
go.
there you are.
All right, have a good
Thanks.
one. I'll talk to you
All
soon.
right, thanks. Bye-bye.
All right. Let's move on to, I'm waiting on the review sheet, Ms. Bogowski. What about Guerrero? What is your client's name? Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Very well.
Good. I am here for Miss Ashley Sanchez. It's an arraignment, and I am ready to proceed, Your Honor, if you are.
And does Ms. Sanchez want to commit to community service? In the case of a plea or
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I haven't had an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor, and I don't know if there is an offer. For purposes of community service, if communities. Sorry, there's some interruption.
Go ahead.
For purposes of community service, if it is performed, how does that work in exchange for the charge itself? Is it dismissed, dropped, reduced?
Well, what I do is whatever the outcome is, whatever the fines and costs, I'll give $20 an hour toward that community. Toward the
Okay.
fine costs.
I understand.
This is the city of Detroit versus Ashley Sanchez Venegas. Does she need an interpreter?
No, Your Honor, she doesn't.
Case number is SP 354661, SP 139-68381, SP 139-87641. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Ali Barrow, P85907, appearing on behalf of Ms. Sanchez, who is present via Zoom. Sanchez, please state your name for the record.
Unmute yourself, please, ma'am.
Ms. Sanchez, please unmute your device and state your name on the record.
Looks like she's frozen.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
my mic, I had to connect it. Ashley Sanchez Venegas.
Thank you.
Was
Honor,
I?
Ms. Sanchez, hold on. Ms.
Yeah,
Sanchez,
I'm sorry.
hold on. Your Honor, today's a day and time scheduled for an arraignment. For purposes of arraignment, Ms. Sanchez stands mute, waives formal reading, continues her plea of not guilty. At this time, we are requesting a pretrial date, Your Honor. And I'm sorry, go ahead.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond.
Thank you.
And I am going to give you a pretrial date of January the 25th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
I'm okay. I'm so sorry. I got disconnected. What was my deal? I had no.
Ms. Sanchez, Ms. Sanchez, there's no deal. I'm gonna call you immediately after the court, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Thank you very much. You and your staff have a wonderful holiday. Ms. Sanchez, you're free to log off, okay?
You
Okay.
as well.
Thank you.
Okay. All right, let's move on. I'm waiting on the reviews, Ms. Glogowski. I haven't forgot about you or your client, all right?
No problem. I'll stand by. Thank you.
Yeah, you probably are. Oh, okay.
I just sent you a message, Your Honor. The reviews are on their way.
Yeah, I saw it. Who's at the phone number? Let's see where. Okay, let's, Mr. Goss, let's get Mr. Cruz Hernandez. We can start with that. I have Officer Sears in the breakout room. Get Cruz Hernandez, please. Yes, Cruz Hernandez.
Did he ask you anything? Do it on my phone. Go on the right of it.
Cruz Hernandez in a breakout. Mr. Bachman, go talk to Mr. Cruz Hernandez. The offer is gonna be disorderly conduct. We'll see if the people are ready to proceed on that. Let me get in touch with Mr. Goss, but the offer is gonna be disorderly conduct, the 12 hours of community service, and things of that nature, all right?
Understood, Your Honor. I'll be right back.
Then
Will he
you
need
can-
an interpreter, Your Honor? Do we know?
Maybe you need to, maybe, but you can go in there and check. I will put you in there and see. Let's go do this before you go in, Ms. Villaroo. Did she leave already? Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I spoke to Officer Sears and we're ready on all 4 of her matters.
On all 4. Okay, very well. And who are the 4?
Your Honor, I'm sorry, you were speaking to.
Yeah, I would like to go ahead and switch. Does Cruz Hernandez need an interpreter?
Yes, he did.
All right. Can you raise your right hand, please, Ms. Villaroo, and state your name for the record?
Evelyn Villarreal State Certified Court Interpreter.
Okay, do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. You can go ahead and join that room.
Choose whatever one you connect to. Find it, do that.
Gonna print out the defendants. So we have.
I talked to a prosecutor or something.
1 second, sir.
Just wanted to make sure I was in the right courtroom.
What's your name?
Alan Parent.
Hold on a second. I'm gonna check some people in shortly.
Okay.
You're in the right courtroom.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
Interpreter. This
That's mine. I'll call you. I'll call you. Oh.
Is it the paper? Check out the connection. That's the paper.
Anything here? I think he is.
Yes, he is. On couch.
Everybody.
Yes. Not all the officers.
All right, let's go on. Who's on the phone at 313-718-7855? Who is that on that phone? All right.
Yes.
What's your name, please?
Robert Hanley.
Haley?
Hanley, Hanley.
He's here for review, Your Honor.
Henry, okay. All right, did you get your stuff to the court, Mr. Hanley?
Yes, yes, I did. James Phillip, is he there? Is he there?
Yes, I am.
Phillips, yes.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, he took care of everything for me. I completed everything you told me to do.
Hey, Mr. Phillips, do I have that?
That should have been sent to you, all in that one package with summary.
And when was that sent to me?
I think it was, I sent it to you about 10 minutes ago. And Denise, Ms. Jones, she's going to be sending you the full package.
I don't have anything from you.
You don't? Let me do. I sent it. Well, one more time. Let me try again.
All right. Mr. Hanley.
Yes.
Francesca.
Can I see the sample?
Griffin is here. Asha Harbor. Where's Asha Harbor? Right. Ms. Harbor, are you there?
Yes.
Asha Harbor there?
Hanley?
Hanley, not yet, Hanley. Hold on a second.
Oh, okay.
Where is Asha Harbor? She has to come out of that room. This is Asha Harbor?
Yes, this is
This,
Asha Harbor?
yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Asha Leanne Harbor, case number SP 1402796, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Joe S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Harbor. State your full name, Ms. Harbor.
Ashley Ann Harbor.
Your Honor, for purposes,
Raymond.
you would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
I will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond, and we will, Ms. Harbor, what about a driver's license? What are you gonna do about this?
So I already got my, I went and got my permit. Well, I had my permit. It just expired like a few days prior to me getting stopped.
And I just got my permit. I'm just waiting to take my road test.
What about insurance?
I have insurance now.
Let's see, let's see the insurance, please.
Hello?
Let's see the insurance, please.
Okay.
Excuse me, I don't know, did you call Maher Nahas something, make sure you call my
They
name?
haven't called you yet, sir, no.
No. I can help.
Put your cigarette out, sir.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Judge, take him out. Let's see a valid, let's see valid insurance, Ms. Harper.
I got it.
Push it closer, please. All right. All right. I'm going to dismiss your cases, ma'am, for providing valid documentation. I see you have a valid driver's license, and that permit shows up as valid. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
No, sir, no. Hush, sir, please. Put him in. Let's put people in the waiting room, please. The people that
Thank
don't
you.
have, put them in the waiting room, please.
Thank you.
21. I'm going to dismiss your case. All right.
Okay.
Have a safe, happy holiday season, Ms. Harper. Good luck to you. Okay.
You too. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That's for me, right?
No, that's not.
No, bro.
Okay.
Listen, please do not answer and don't say anything. I don't need any. I don't need any help. Okay. Let's put the people that are in the room now in the waiting room. And the ones that have names, the ones that don't have.
Already giving somebody a ticket.
So we can name them. Together. Mr. Hoffman, I have a lot of Sears' cases today. So I'm gonna assign all of those to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I could, we're ready on Cruz Hernandez. I need to go in the breakout room with Alejandro Tapia Ramirez, Your Honor.
All right, put them in.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm taking heed. I'm putting people in the waiting room if that's what you're requesting.
Yeah, put the ones in the waiting room that have names on them.
I'm calling Judge Bryant right now. I'm sorry.
That don't have names, then we'll get their names and we'll try to get.
And Your Honor, would you like to have them to come in and be in the waiting room so that we don't have to put them in a waiting room? We can bring them out if they don't, like pull them in if they don't have to.
I think that if you do that now, they're gonna put all of them in the waiting room. Everybody's gonna be in the waiting room.
Then he has people who's on two different devices. One in the room and he got him.
Where is he?
Just put him out.
So let's get Mr. Rogowski. Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Yemeni Liliana. Does she need an interpreter?
Yes, she does, but for purposes of the review hearing, if I may proceed, she understands that the case will be dismissed.
Right,
thank you.
This is the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit versus Yamini Liliana Lopez Gomez. Case numbers SP 137-00911, SP 137-00913, SP 137-16701. Today is the date and time set for review in the matter. I see that Mrs. Yemi has completed 24 hours of community service. I thank you for that. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss SP 137-16701, and I'm going to close out the other two cases.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, then you and your client have a very good day.
Thank you, Anna, and happy holidays to you and everyone here today. Thank you, Anna.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Oh, so I enabled the waiting room. So when people are coming in, they'll just be in the waiting room. We'll see them, we can rename them, we can pull them out. That way we won't let everybody in and have to re-put them back in the waiting room. So the people who are here who are not named, we can get the names and find out who they are.
All right, let's go ahead with Mr. Thank you. Let's go ahead with Mr. Fadi Kazan?
Yeah, Kazan.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Fadi Kareem Kazan, case number U64777-822. State your name for the record, please.
Fadi Kazan.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. I don't have, or do I, let me see if I have the, before I say it off, but I don't have, let's see first. Fadi Kazan. I have a letter of completion for the I have a letter for both. So at this time, I'm going to thank you for the community service. I'm going to close out your case under disorderly conduct. There's nothing further, Mr. Kazan. You have a safe and happy holiday season, and good luck to you, okay?
You as well, Judge. Thank you. Everybody so good and nice to me. I appreciate you guys.
All right, have a great.
Thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, do we have Ms. Mathis today?
No, we have Mr. Lake.
I'm sorry. Okay, if I could get a docket.
Can you put your email in the chat, Ms. It
Sure.
should pop like Williams Law. When you
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah, she needs it. All right, okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Robert Lee Hanley, case number U647-98322. Appearance for the record, please.
Harry Boston, I'm sorry.
Strike the appearance. Strike the appearance. Mr. Hanley, can you state your name for the Mr. Hanley?
Yes. This is Robert Hill. This is me.
All right, can you state your name for the record, please?
Robert Hanley.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. If you have proof that you completed the community service, I appreciate that, and did the necessary things to close this matter out under disorderly conduct. So that's what I'm going to do now, is close the matter out under disorderly conduct, and wish you a safe and happy holiday season, Mr. Hammond.
Okay, thank you.
Have a
So
great day.
my case is on dismissed.
No, it's closed out. It's closed out under disorderly conduct.
Okay, okay, I appreciate that.
Have a good day, sir.
Okay. You too.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Bye.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
Is
Bye.
Acosta Mendez here?
¿Está presente, señor Acosta? He was here earlier, Your Honor.
All right. If he's in the room, we can pull him out.
He is in the waiting room.
Which one is he?
Fidel. Acosta.
Yes. Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Fidel Acosta Mendez, case number U64798422. Mr. Mendez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Llamamos el caso de Fidel Acosta Méndez, número de caso U64798422. Señor Méndez, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Fidel Acosta Méndez.
Fidel Acosta Méndez.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. I see you've completed your testing and you completed the community service and given them an extra hour. So I thank you for that.
Señor, hoy es el día y esta es la hora que teníamos programada para tener una revisa de su caso. Ya veo aquí que usted cumplió con las pruebas que le tenían que hacer y también usted cumplió con su servicio comunitario. De hecho, hizo una hora adicional. Por eso le damos muchas gracias.
Gracias igualmente.
Thank you.
So now
Thank you.
I'm gonna close your matter out under disorderly conduct, and I'm gonna wish you a safe and happy holiday season, Mr. Mendez. Have a great day.
Así que voy a cerrar su caso de conducta desordenada y le deseo que tenga unos días feriados felices y seguros y que pase buen día, señor.
Igualmente, gracias y que pasen buenos días feriados.
Thank you and happy holidays to you.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Where's Caitlin Owens? Caitlin Owens? This is the city of Detroit versus Juan Alberta Romero, case number U64777922. State your name for the record, please, sir.
Se llama el caso de Juan Alberto Romero, número de caso U64777922. Por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta, señor.
Mi nombre es Juan Alberto Romero, Juan Albert Romero.
My name is Juan Albert Romero.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. You were ordered to do 12 hours of community service. I see you've completed those 12 hours of community service. I want to thank you for that. And I have the other stuff that you needed to do. You've completed everything. And at this time, I'm going to close out your case under disorderly conduct.
Buenos días, señor. Veo que estamos aquí para revisar su caso. Este es el día y la hora para hacer esto. Ve usted que usted ha cumplido sus 12 horas de servicio comunitario. Le doy las gracias. También veo que usted cumplió con todo lo demás que le habíamos pedido que usted hiciera. Reconociendo eso, hoy vamos a cerrar su caso de conducta desordenada.
Gracias.
Thank you.
It's not working, Mike, so I can't forward it back. My email is not working.
It's not?
Do you have it on docket? That you can send?
I have a copy. How do I get the, let's stop.
I know Dante has a copy. If you can just.
Yeah, if Dante can send it.
No, let's get it to you now. Let's get that taken care of. Mr. Goss, are you there?
Do you have a docket?
Does one of the attorneys have a copy of the docket?
I do. I'll send that right away.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, let's get you in the breakout rooms with your clients, Mr. Kaufman. Who do you want to go? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys an opportunity to be able to switch between the clients. All right, so now you can put the clients and go back and forth into the breakout rooms that you choose, okay? So Mr. Boffman, on those clients with Officer Sears, why don't you speak to each one of those individually, and then we'll go from there, all right?
Understood, Your Honor.
Okay, where is,
Your Honor, this is the interpreter. Mr. Romero is still present. May he be excused now?
Mr. Romero, yes, you are going to be excused, sir. We appreciate your service. Have a safe and happy holiday season, okay?
Señor Romero, ya se puede ir. Le queremos desear a usted unos días feriados seguros y felices.
Muchas gracias.
Thank
Es
you
todo
very
lo que es todo, ¿verdad?
And so that's it, right?
That's it.
Eso es todo.
Muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Que pasen bonitas fiestas.
Thank you very much and happy holidays.
Is Vasquez Lopez here?
¿Está presente Vázquez López?
Sí, señora. Buenos días.
Good morning.
¿Cómo está?
How are you?
Very well. How are you, Mr. Lopez?
Muy bien. ¿Y cómo está usted, señor López?
Bien, gracias a Dios. Aquí en la casa descansando un rato del frío que está fuerte.
I'm well, thank you. I'm here at home resting and out in the cold. It's just pretty bad outside.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Eduardo Rafael Vasquez Lopez, case number SP 139-81011. Mr. Lopez, can you state your name for the record, please?
Este es el caso del señor Vázquez López, número de caso SP13-981011. Señor, ¿puede decir su nombre completo, por favor?
Eduardo Rafael Vázquez López.
Eduardo Vázquez López?
Sí, Eduardo Rafael Vázquez López.
Yes, Eduardo Rafael Vázquez López.
Okay, today is the date and time set for reviewing the matter. I see that you have completed 6 hours of city service. I want to thank you for that, sir. And with that, I'm going to dismiss I'm going to close out your case, all right?
Este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para revisar su caso. Veo aquí que usted cumplió sus 6 horas de servicio comunitario. Le doy las gracias y reconociendo eso, hoy cerramos su caso.
Ok, muchas gracias, muy amable y que tengan felices fiestas y feliz año nuevo.
Thank you. You're very kind. I wish everyone happy holidays and a happy new year.
Very well. Thank you so much, sir.
Muy bien y muchísimas gracias a usted, señor.
Muchísimas gracias. Hasta luego, que tengan buen día.
So much. Thank you so much and have a good day.
Igualmente, señor.
Ok, muchas gracias. Hasta luego. ¿Ya me puedo retirar de la sala?
Thank you. Can I leave now from this room?
Yes, you may.
Sí, se puede ir.
Ok, muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Felices fiestas.
Okay, thank you very much. See you later and happy holiday.
Okay. Let's get some people. Olga, what is Kaylin Owens here? Is Richard Sal Vega here? Richard Sal Vega, Kaylin Owens.
Richard Saúl Vega, ¿está presente?
All right. Let's move on to Mr. Cruz, Mr. Hernandez Cruz. You've already been, this Hernandez Cruz. All right, who's on the iPad mini? Is that
Dante?
Dante, yes, yes. That's her Russian. Give me the correct pronunciation of your last name, please.
See you.
Celio?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, this is the city of Detroit versus Dante Tyrick Helmacillo. Case number SP 140-24361. Appearance for the record, please.
Dante Tyrick Angelo Amadeo Hermosillo.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of Mr. Hermosillo. Take in time for arraignment, so we will waive any more formal reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. And this is a allowing case. You want to speak to him briefly, or you just want to set a trial date and come back? You want to take the 12 hours of community service, we'll dismiss.
Let's
breakout room and tell him his options and let me know where your client stands.
Thank you, Mr. Hermosillo. It'd be my pleasure to meet you in the breakout room. Press join when you get a prompt.
Oh, it's gonna pop up.
Yeah, just stand by.
All right, Madam Olga, can you unmute yourself, please?
Sí, buenos días.
Buenos dias. What's your name, please, ma'am?
Olga Patricia García.
Repeat, please.
Olga Patricia García Cruz.
Olga.
He's on page 1, Your Honor, about the middle of the page under Amaro Galvin. Under Galvin, Amaro, rather.
Está rayado.
Arraignment.
Did Mr. Hermosillo join the room yet?
Not yet, Mr. Hermosillo.
I can't find the option to go to the different room.
Yeah, I'll do it. Go to room 2, Mr. You got it, Mr. Hermosillo? Go to room 2, Mr. Baughman. Okay, let's call the city of Detroit versus Maria Galvin Amarillo. Case numbers SP 140-84621, SP 140-84663, counts 1 and counts 2.
Salvador Barry Jr.
on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Amaro.
María Beatriz Galván Amaro.
Okay, today is the date and time set for arraignment. Do you need an interpreter, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, I need.
You're on
You're
mute.
muted.
So
Yes, I need an interpreter.
do you want me to repeat that, Ms. Villaroo?
No, I do not. I can say that, Your Honor. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus María Beatriz Galván Amaro, número de caso SP140-84631 y SP140-8463, casos 2, 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Mi nombre es María Beatriz Galván Amaro.
My name is Maria Beatriz Galván Amaro.
Your appearance for the record, Mr. Berry.
L.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Y usted presente ese señor Berry. Sí, yo soy L.S. Berry Jr. P28880 representando a la acusada.
And as for purposes of arraignment,
¿Y qué
Yes,
dice
Your
usted
Honor,
de la lectura de cargos?
we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Sí, su señoría, nosotros renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
I don't know what Mr. Goss wants to do with these accident tickets.
No sé lo que el señor Goss quiere hacer con estas boletas de infracción.
Let's pass that matter. I'm going to get you an offer, ma'am, and we will see. We'll let you speak to a lawyer so you can get some better understanding. Okay.
Señora, vamos a pasar el caso suyo por un momento. Vamos a tratar de conseguirle una oferta de resolución de parte de la fiscalía y también le vamos a proveer un abogado defensor que le puede explicar cuál es la oferta.
Bien.
Good.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Olga Patricia Garcia Cruz, case number SD 1409417. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de Olga Patricia García Cruz, SP140-94171, que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Olga Patricia García Cruz.
Olga Patricia García Cruz.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Cruz.
Y soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando a la señora Cruz.
As for purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading.
De la lectura de cargos, señor.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente y vamos a guardar silencio.
Okay, at this time, I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give her a $0 bond, and I'm going to dismiss the case because she paid 2 related civil infractions.
En este momento, lo que voy a hacer yo es procesar una declaración de no culpable, le voy a dar una fianza de $0 y también voy a desestimar el caso porque veo aquí que ella pagó por 2 infracciones civiles.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Ok, nada más una cosa, una pregunta.
Okay, I do have a question.
Sí, en ese momento que tuve mi falta, no traía mi prueba de aseguranza, pero ahora ya la tengo.
At that time when I was stopped, I didn't have proof of insurance with me, but I've got it now.
Yeah, you've already paid that ticket, ma'am.
Sí,
And I'm
usted ya
dismissing,
pagó.
and I'm dismissing the other case because you paid that ticket.
Usted ya pagó por esa boleta de infracción, señora, y debido a que usted hizo eso, voy a desestimar el otro cargo.
Ok, muchísimas gracias.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, have a safe and happy holiday season, ma'am. Good luck to you, okay?
Que tenga unos días feriados felices y seguros y que pase usted un buen día hoy.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you, same to you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Hermosillo. I've given you an opportunity, sir, to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Judge, there's a genuine material issue of fact. We asking for a trial date, please.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Hermosillo?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna grant a trial date for February 1st, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay? If there's nothing further.
February 1st, you say?
Yeah, January 1st, if there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy, no, strike that. February 1st, 2020, 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season. I'll see you in the new year, okay?
You as well.
Thank you. Mr. Goss, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Galvan Amarillo. I need an offer for this young lady. She has a driver's license never acquired, a no insurance misdemeanor, and an accident 361.
Okay. Do we have the actual tickets?
Go ahead, Ms. Gold.
Así que volvemos a abrir el caso de la señora Galván Amaro. Tenemos una oferta para ella. A ver, tenemos aquí que ella está acusada de nunca haber obtenido una licencia de conducir y que también ocurrió un accidente según 361.
Así es.
Yes, that is so.
Yes, we have the actual tickets.
Sí, la verdad es que tenemos las pruebas de las boletas de infracción aquí.
Sí.
Yes.
Judge, we ready to give a plea on Mr. Cruz Hernandez, one of the Tabitha Sears cases.
Where is Mr. Cruz Hernandez?
So they never assigned.
This is egregious. Eat the point. Running a red light and causing an accident? That's egregious. For the accident. Straight up, dismissed other two. Okay, the offer is pleading to let's go back on the record, Ms. Galvin. Amaro, the offer is pleading to the accident ticket. That's gonna cost points on your driver's license, ma'am, and then dismissing the other two cases.
Así que la oferta que tenemos de la fiscalía, señora, es que usted se declare responsable al accidente, le van a poner su licencia de conducir y los otros dos cargos van a quedar desestimados si usted acepta la oferta.
Acepto.
I accept that.
It's also going to be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Y también le vamos a pedir a usted que cumpla 6 horas de servicio comunitario con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Claro que sí.
Of course, yes.
We'll close it out upon completion of the 6 hours of community service.
Y cuando usted haya cumplido las 6 horas de servicio comunitario, cerramos el caso.
Claro que sí, le agradezco.
Of course, yes, I'm grateful.
Okay. What is your phone number, ma'am, please?
¿Cuál es su número de teléfono, señora, por favor?
313-986-5138.
313-986-5138.
Got it.
Entendido.
All right, you have to get an ink pen out and take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Necesita usted tomar su bolígrafo para que pueda anotar el número que le vamos a dar del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Sí, permítame un segundo, por favor.
Yes, could you give me a second, please?
¿Y si es tan amable? ¿Estoy lista?
Yes, thank you for being so kind. I'm ready.
All right. This is Trace 879-2155.
313-879-2155.
I'm gonna give you until January 18th, 2023 to complete those hours and call Mrs. Carmencita Punteo this afternoon. That number at the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. She will be able to get those hours set up for you.
Le voy a dar usted hasta el 18 de enero del 2023 para que cumpla esas horas de servicio comunitario. Llame esta misma tarde a Carmencita Buentello en el número que le hemos dado del Centro de Justicia para que ella pueda hacer los arreglos para las horas y el lugar donde usted va a cumplir.
¿Es tan amable de repetirme el nombre de la persona, Carmencita?
Would you be so kind as to repeat the person's name? Carmencita
Buentello.
Buentello.
Buentello. Ok.
All right. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a safe and happy holiday season. I'm gonna find you as charged to the civil infraction, 6 hours of community service, and I'm gonna dismiss the other 2 misdemeanors, okay?
Así que si no hay nada más, señora, le deseo usted unos días feriados seguros y felices con respecto a la infracción civil en cuanto que usted es responsable y las otras 2 acusaciones contra usted quedan desestimadas.
Agradezco muchísimo su atención. Les deseo felices fiestas también.
I'm very grateful for your attention to this matter, and I wish you also very happy holidays.
Thank you so much, ma'am. You're free to leave.
Muchísimas gracias, señora. Ya se puede ir.
Hasta luego. Gracias.
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 De nada.
Can I get a stipulation of probable cause, Counselor?
So, later.
All right, sir. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Jermaine Cruz Hernandez, case number U64796422. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos a caso Detroit versus Germán Cruz Hernández. Que todos digan sus nombres para que conste el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Please, sir, state your name.
Buenos días, su señoría. Harry Bachman, representando al acusado. Señor, por favor, diga su nombre.
Mr. Cruz Hernandez, please state your name for the record.
Señor Cruz Hernández, nombre para que...
I gotta admit him.
Oh, okay.
Officer Sears, can you put your, good morning to you, can you put your appearance on the record?
Yes, sir. Officer Sears, badge 3938, 4th Precinct, Detroit Police Department.
Le pedimos a la policía que por favor diga su nombre para que conste en el acta. Sí, y mi número de chapa es 3938. Mi nombre es la policía Sears y soy parte del 4º cuartel en la ciudad de Detroit.
Okay, Mr. Cruz Hernandez, can you state your name for the record, please? Good morning to you.
El señor Cruz Hernández, buenos días. Usted, por favor, diga su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Sí, Germán Cruz Hernández.
Germain Cruz Hernández.
Thank you, Judge.
Go ahead.
The defendant and I have had a chance to speak about the purpose of today's hearing. He knows. Go ahead.
Hemos tenido la oportunidad de hablar con respecto al propósito de la audiencia.
He's going to waive his right to any trial today and plead guilty. And he has been advised as to what that means in the community service sense here.
El acusado va a renunciar, tener un juicio, se quiere declarar culpable y ya le hemos avisado de los cargos y también le hemos avisado de lo que significa el Centro de Justicia de la comunidad del suroeste de Detroit.
He's ready to give a factual basis here and now, Your Honor.
Y está listo para ahora presentar un fundamento para la declaración.
All right, is that what you wanted, Mr. Cruz Hernandez?
¿Y es eso lo que usted le gustaría hacer, señor Cruz Hernández?
Sí, está bien.
Yes, that's fine.
Can you turn your camera on, please?
¿Puede por favor prender la cámara?
Okay.
Your phone number 313-753-0475.
Oh, I didn't get that. You're Would you be kind enough to repeat that for the interpreter?
313-753-0475.
Y su número, señor, es el 313-753-0479.
Sí, 75 al fin.
3137 53
Sí.
0475. Yes.
All right, you're gonna need to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir. Do you wanna plead guilty today?
Señor, usted va a necesitar tomar el número del Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. Dígame, ¿usted se quiere declarar culpable hoy?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please?
Por favor, levante la mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, hijo.
Yes, I swear.
All right, sir, are you a United States citizen? You can put your hand down.
Señor, ¿puede bajar la mano? Dígame, ¿es usted ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
No.
No.
Have you had an opportunity to consult with the immigration attorney regarding this matter?
¿Ya ha tenido usted la oportunidad de consultar con un abogado de inmigración con respecto a este asunto?
Sí.
Yes.
Immigration attorney you've talked to, sir?
¿Usted ha hablado con un abogado de inmigración, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
And who was that?
¿Y quién es esa persona?
Permítame tantito.
Just a moment.
Rachel. Rashel.
Rachel.
Bogowski?
¿Es la señora Glakowski?
Sí.
Yes.
And are you satisfied with entering into this plea today?
¿Y usted está satisfecho que usted se va a declarar de esta manera hoy?
Sí, claro.
Yes, of course.
All right. All right, sir, let me draw your, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
¿Y comprende usted que la pena máxima posible en este caso pudiera ser 90 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for this nature can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Y comprende usted que si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos, una condena de este tipo de delito le puede causar consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí, sí, lo sé.
Yes, yes, I know.
Do you understand? You know the offer is going to be pleading to this. You're going to be ordered to do 12 hours of community service. You're going to have to take a misdemeanor morality class, and you're going to have to get testing done, HIV, STD. You understand that, sir?
Y comprende usted que si se declara culpable, usted va a tener que cumplir 12 horas de servicio comunitario. También va a tener que tomar una clase con respecto a la moralidad. Van a tener que hacerle unas pruebas para el VIH y también para enfermedades transmitidas sexualmente.
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
¿Y comprende usted que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Sí, sí.
Yes, yes.
You understand that by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right.
Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia a ese derecho.
Okay.
Okay.
You understand that, sir? Yes or no?
¿Comprende usted eso? Dígame un sí o un no.
Sí, comprendo.
Yes, I understand.
Do you understand that has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente o distinto de lo que ya hemos dicho y que conste en el acta?
No.
No.
Okay, so let me draw your attention back to September the 7th, 2022 at around 7 p.m. in the area of Michigan and Proctor, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que el señor le llamó la atención al 7 de septiembre del 2022, aproximadamente a las 7 de la noche. ¿Tuvo usted la ocasión de encontrarse con un policía en el área de las calles de Michigan?
Sí.
Yes.
On that date and time, sir, were you, did you offer some money in exchange for an act of sexual gratification, sir?
Y en ese día, en ese momento, usted le ofreció dinero a alguien para un acto sexual.
Sí.
Yes.
Are you satisfied, counselor?
Licenciado, ¿satisfecho? Sí, quedó satisfecho.
All right, the court is satisfied. I am going to find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct, order him to do 12 hours of community service, order him to take a misdemeanor morality class and HIV STD testing.
Así que acepto la declaración de su cliente que es culpable al cargo modificado de conducta desordenada. Le voy a pedir que cumple 12 horas de servicio comunitario, que tome la clase que tiene que ver con moralidad y que también cumpla con las pruebas que le vamos a pedir para el VIH y para enfermedades sexuales.
Ok, está bien.
Okay,
You have to
that's
take,
fine.
you have to take number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Sir, you need to get a pen.
Quiero que ahora usted apunte el número que le vamos a dar al Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit. Usted necesita tener una pluma, un bolígrafo.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, it's Trace Uno Trace 879-2155.
No, man.
313-879-2155.
¿Me lo repite de nuevo?
Could you repeat that?
Trace Uno Trace 879-2155.
313-879-2155.
55. Oh,
55. 2155.
Sí. ¿Cómo se llama?
I need you to call Ms. Carmesita Patel this afternoon to set up those hours. I'm giving you till February 22nd, 2023 to complete those. 8/25 is going to be your review date. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a safe and happy holiday season.
Le quiero que usted llame esta misma tarde a la señorita Carmencita Buentello, al número que le hemos dado. Le vamos a dar hasta el 22 de febrero del 2023 a que cumpla esas horas de servicio comunitario. Su día para revisar el caso es ese día, el 22 de febrero a las 8:25 de la mañana. Si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, le queremos desear un día muy feliz y seguros.
Feliz Navidad y gracias.
Same to you and thank you.
All right, have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
Que tenga usted buen día y le deseamos buena suerte.
Igualmente, gracias.
Same to you. Thank you.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Francesca Sophia Griffin, case number SP 133-65953, SP 133-71881. And also the State of Michigan versus Francesca Sophia Griffin, case number SP 4342001 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Ms. Griffin.
Francesca Griffin.
All right, today is the date and time set for review, ma'am. You were given the opportunity to do community service?
No, I wasn't given the opportunity. I called yesterday and I spoke with Mrs. Mathis, and she told me to call in the Zoom call to see if I could get an extension on my payment for my tickets.
All right, how much time do you need, ma'am?
At least 60 days. I'm having a hard time right now.
All right. February 21st, 2023, 8/25. Please get it paid, all right? Good luck to you. I hope your times get better. I hope you have a safe and happy holiday season. And I'll see you in the new year come February 21st, 2022, okay?
Thank you so much. Happy holidays.
Thank you. Okay. So, Mr. Barry, I need you to go in room 16 for Mr. Garcia and let him know that he has a open intox. Among other things, he has a driver's license invalid, and he has a failure to yield right away. It'll be, if the offer, he can take it to trial, or he can take the offer of what I call a non-offer of open-end talks in a motor vehicle passenger. You know, it's the same 12 hours. We'll dismiss the other two cases, and it'll be an alcohol-related offense on his driving record, and it will be a 2 points on his driving record. So he can either take it to trial or not. All right. Go into room
All right.
16 and let him know that.
Am I
Yes,
needed?
Your Honor.
Well, Your Honor.
Oh, you want to, yeah, you want to go into room 16 as well, just to see if he needs an interpreter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm stepping away for just one moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm going to get an offer for Mr. Vanola. And then I'll put you in the breakout room with him. What about, did you talk to the other people that have trials, Mr. Baughman?
I believe they're in the waiting room, Your Honor. I didn't want to bring anybody into the main session and disturb the flow, but they are Nazar Al-Ashwal.
I'll get the next one to you.
Okay.
You're in number 2.
Yeah, I can go to any of these rooms, so 2 is fine. I'll be in 2.
All right. I'm going to put him in the waiting room number 2. Do you need an interpreter, Mr. Al-Aswal? All right, on the iPhone, can you state your name, please? The gentleman in the brown jacket. Somebody on the iPhone, can you state your name, please? The 2 iPhones, Miss Quinteo. Okay, I got one. Who is that on the iPhone, sir?
Me?
What's your name? Yes.
Claudio.
What's the name?
Claudio.
Claudio
¿Qué?
Israel Gomez.
Claudio Israel Gomez. That's how you say it in English. Claudio, I believe it's spelled.
Okay. Claudio Rael
Israel
Gomez.
Yep.
Ruelas.
Israel Gomez. Claudio Israel Gomez.
Ruelas.
I see also that he has a hyphenated name, Ruelas, Ruelas.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like he has more cases that come up. Okay, it's under a different name.
That's occurring a lot with the hyphenated names. I've been finding quite a few.
Come back, Your Honor.
All right, are we ready? The other, oh, that's PO, that's Officer Rizzo. All right, I didn't know that you were there. You signed in on the iPhone, correct?
Yep.
No, Officer Rizzo.
Sorry.
No le estamos hablando al oficial, no a usted.
Oh, perdón.
We're speaking to the officer, not you. Excuse me.
Officer Rizzo,
Yes, sir.
what time did you get here?
I was here at 9.
Okay, it would have helped if you would have signed in under your name. Was that you on the iPhone?
Yes, Your Honor. I didn't realize. I thought I had to buy. I was already signed in under my name. I didn't realize I didn't have it.
All right, go ahead. Here, Officer Rizzo is in the room for Chavez Bats. Okay. All right, I need an offer for this gentleman. Go ahead, he's in the breakout room. Go back in the breakout room, please, Officer Rizzo.
Yes, Your Honor.
I will be there as soon as I can. I need an offer for this man.
Yes.
How'd you do that?
I went to the, the driver's license wasn't under auto. Well, did it been number and did that.
Tickets, especially if it's an accident.
You want tickets or you want our?
All right, who's ready?
Mr. Garcia, Your Honor.
Yeah, Garcia, I have to get an offer for. Garcia, what is Garcia gonna be doing?
He would avail himself of the offer, Your Honor, in 12 hours of community service.
Where is Garcia?
¿Dónde se encuentra el señor García?
Okay, let's call the case. Does he need an interpreter?
Yes.
Is he out of the breakout room?
I had explained to him, the interpreter had explained to him how to leave the breakout room, Your Honor. But I don't see him on the screen at this moment.
Okay, well, we'll pass that matter. Mr. Hoffman, is your client ready?
We are, Your Honor. The defendant's going to waive rights and accept the plea deal here.
He doesn't need an interpreter, does he?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Nazir Abdu Asawal. Case number U64797-122. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Azar Abdul Ashwal.
Your Honor, we would also acknowledge the presence of Officer Sears from the Detroit Police Department. Presume that she was here for the purpose of trial. And the defendant has been advised and wishes at this point to waive his right to any trial today and plead guilty. There's a recommendation, and we'd ask respectfully if Your Honor would follow that recommendation and offer the defendant here a community service sentence. Thank you.
Okay, Officer Sears, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Sears, badge 3938, Detroit Police Department, 4th Precinct.
Very well. You want to take this deal? It's going to be disorderly conduct, close out under disorderly conduct, 12 hours of community service. And it's going to be a misdemeanor morality class that you have to take. And it's going to be testing STD, HIV, which the results will be private to you. You want to take this deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, can I get a good phone number from you, sir?
313-674-0520.
All right, you got a phone, you have an ink pen. I want you to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Okay, I'm ready.
313-879-2155.
Okay.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand that if you take this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Okay, sir, I'm going to draw your, do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, sir, that a conviction for this type of offense will potentially implicate immigration issues?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to draw your attention back to September 13th, 2022 at around 5:40 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Michigan and Proctor Street. Sir, did you have come encounter with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes.
On that date, sir, did you offer money in exchange for an act of sexual gratification?
Yes.
All right, I'm satisfied, counselor. Are you satisfied?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct. Give him order him to do 12 hours of community service, misdemeanor morality, and STD HIV testing, which the results will be private to him. I just need to know that he's tested. And I'm going to have you call the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center at that number I gave you. And I'm going to give you until February 22nd, 2023 to complete the hours. We'll set a review at 8:25 a.m. If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you a safe and happy holiday season, and I'll see you back in the new year, okay?
Okay. Okay, thank you. You said February 22nd?
Yeah, hold on a second. What's going on, Mr. Phillips?
I didn't get the last 4 digits of the phone number.
0520.
Thank you.
All right. If it's nothing further, sir, have a safe and happy holiday season and good luck to you. You'll have till February 22nd, 2023 at 8:25. All right, that's your next court date.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
All right, have a good one, sir.
You as well. Bye-bye.
All right. Let's go with, let me pull out Jonathan Simmons and Let me pull out, Mr. Alejandro Tapia Ramirez. Okay, Mr. Simmons and Mr. Tapia, Mr. Ramirez, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room one at a time with Mr. Baldwin, okay? So sit tight. Mr. Baldwin, Mr. Simmons is in the breakout room first. He has the same charge with the two, an insurance and failure to turn, signal on the turn. We'll dismiss those two. Is he gone? Yeah. Let's move on. And Mr. Bonilla. Let's see if he comes in. Daniel Bonello. Good morning.
¿Se llama el caso de Daniel Bonola?
He's got, I'm trying to pull him out. I'm gonna give him this offer, Mr. I'm gonna give him his offer. Mr. Bonola. Mr. Bonola.
Señor Bonola.
Bonola.
Yeah, hello?
Do you need an
Yes.
interpreter? According to you.
No, I don't need no interpreter.
All right, your offer is going to be pleading to an allowing charge. That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, and I'll dismiss it. And an equipment violation charge. So 18 hours of community service. We'll dismiss the misdemeanor, close out the equipment violation, and we'll dismiss the other cases. You have an absolute right to a trial, sir. And you can take the offer, or you can fight the ticket if you want. And I can get you into the breakout room with Mr. Barry if you want to have some more, get some more information on it.
You said the offer was community service?
Yeah, 18 hours of community service will get you out of here with no misdemeanor record, and it will close out everything.
Yeah, I'll do that. It's fine.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Daniel Faustino Bonola Camarena. Case number SP122-67031, SP135-51973, SP137-8987, 1, SP138-5188, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1400751. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Bonola. State your full name, sir.
Daniel Faustino Bonola Camarena.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $0 bond. And I am going to, off the record, I gave your client an offer of allowing and an equipment violation. He indicated off the record that he would take that deal. So we're going to avail him to that. And I need to see you, sir. Where's your face? You need to cut the camera on. All right. Can you raise your right hand, please, sir?
Yeah.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes, sir.
Well, it's still nevertheless, did you have valid insurance on that day?
Yes, sir, on that day.
Do you have valid insurance now?
Yes, sir.
Hey, let's run this driver's license, please.
I had a question.
Hold on a second.
Just a
You
moment.
want to speak to the lawyer? I can let you speak to the lawyer.
How is then community service, or like, how am I supposed to do that?
I'm gonna get you that. You need to take this pen, take this information down. So I need to get a phone number from you first.
It's 313-590-0696.
All right. Let me check. Let me see the insurance. Do you have a copy of it?
It's actually, I don't got a print copy of it. It's on my phone actually.
Driver's license is valid. And what happened that day? You didn't have the insurance on you, or what happened?
I didn't have I didn't have it on me because I was just gonna go drop off my cousin. So I was just, I didn't really think much of it, and it was just gonna be a quick one. So I thought nothing really was gonna happen.
That's how it usually is, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's do these 2 equipment violations. I'll reduce it to 12 hours of community service, and I will, in lieu of fines and plus for the 2 equipment violations, you do 12 hours of community service, and we'll close it out. All right.
Okay.
All right. On behalf of your client, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Will you stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other?
Yes, so stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count. As charged to the equipment violations. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow him to do 12 hours of community service. I'll give you until January 18th to get those community service hours done, sir. You need to take an ink pen. Do you have an ink pen?
Yes, sir.
Can you write this number down, please?
Yes.
All right, 313 879-2155. That's the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. And that way you can call Mr. Phillips and he can get you set up with those hours.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, you have a safe and happy holiday season. I'll see you back in the new year, January 18th, 2023 at 8:25, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Very well. All right, Jonathan Jackie Simmons, I don't have anything but ROAs. I don't have an actual complaint. Mr. Alejandro, do you need a Tapia Ramirez, do you need an interpreter, sir?
No.
I'll take him in breakout room 2, please. Did you indicate, Judge, that we don't have a charging document for Mr. Simmons?
I did indicate that.
Oh, well, I have a motion for that then.
All right, do we have a file for Mr. Simmons? All right, let's call the case. I got three burglaries. This is the City of Detroit versus Jonathan Jackie Simmons, case number SP 130-89401, SP 135-44311, and U 64776822. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Jonathan Simmons.
Your Honor, I would also acknowledge the presence of the good officer from the Detroit Police Department. Ma'am, would you state your name?
Yes, Officer Sears, badge 3938, Detroit Police Department, 4th Precinct.
Your Honor, prior to any trial, I would, on information and belief, make a motion to dismiss the instant cases for lack of a proper charging document. I think a lack of a proper charging document violates the procedural due process guarantees of the Michigan and United States Constitution. I wouldn't say anything further than that.
I will give Mr. Goss an opportunity to respond. I think he knows my position. As far as SP 1308940 and SP 135-44311, today is the date and time set for a trial on those matters as well. I have Officer Del Boscu, who usually appears, is not here now. You want to make a motion on those cases, Counselor?
Absolutely. My motion is to dismiss here without prejudice.
All right, that's a dismissal, no officer. I'll grant that motion. Let me see, Mr. Well, he knows my position.
I got a question, Your Honor.
Oh,
Am I supposed to be in that breakout room?
Yes, yes. Go back in there, please.
Okay.
Hold on a second. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss the case. The U 64776822 for no signed complaint. Somehow that ticket, Officer Sears got lost in the shuffle, I guess, to Mr. Simmons.
Shut up.
Gets this case dismissed, all right? If there's nothing
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Simmons, have a safe and happy holiday season. Good luck to you. That is dismissed without prejudice. All right? You can
So
go in the
was everything dismissed? Or
yeah, Mr. Goss, we just dismissed Mr. Simmons' case. One, Officer DeBosco didn't show up, and then Officer Sears, that actual complaint never got to court.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So, Mr. Simmons, have a safe and happy holiday season. If there's nothing further, good luck to you.
thank you, Your Honor. You too.
All right. Mr. Boffman, can you go in there and talk to Mr. Alejandro Ramirez?
Please come back out of the breakout room. Sir, go back to room 2.
All right, Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's talk with Mr. Did you talk with Mr. Juan Rizzo, Officer Juan Rizzo for Chavez, Bates, Santiago, Enrique?
Not yet, Your Honor. I'm just getting back from the other courtroom.
Okay, why don't you go in there right quick, see if you can talk to him. If he's ready. We can go ahead and knock that out.
Okay.
All right. Now, I need also for Garcia Refugo, I have to get an offer for him. Oh, who's on that?
Garcia, we have an offer. And
What does he want to do?
he wants to accept the offer, and he's looking forward to 12 hours of community service.
Where is his spot? I need an offer for him. Here it is. Now, where is he? He's not going to try to take the.
He just showed up on screen, Your Honor.
He's present, Your Honor. He wants to avail himself of the offer.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Refugio Garcia, case number SP 1354712, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Refugio García, números de caso SP 1354712, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Señora, soy Refugio García. Se me desconectó la llamada ahorita que me estaban dando la sentencia, el celular.
Phone got disconnected. I am Refugio García.
Okay, good morning to you, sir.
Buenos días a usted, señor.
Mande, buenos días.
Excuse me, good morning.
After I've given you an opportunity to speak with an attorney on this matter, and your attorney indicates that you want to plead guilty to the amended count of open alcohol on a motor vehicle passenger.
Usted le dio la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado y el abogado nos ha indicado a nosotros que usted le gustaría declararse culpable al cargo de que tenía alcohol abierto en un vehículo lado de pasajero.
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that it's going to be a 2-point offense, 12 hours of community service, and an alcohol-related offense on your driving record, sir? You understand that?
Y comprende usted, señor, que esto le va a costar a usted 2 puntos en su licencia de conducir. Le vamos a pedir que cumpla 12 horas de servicio comunitario y va a tener en su expediente que esto es un delito relacionado al alcohol. ¿Comprende usted eso?
Sí.
Yes.
And you still want to take the deal, sir?
¿Y usted aún quiere aprovecharse de esta oferta, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand, please?
Bien, ¿puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que usted va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí, la verdad.
Yes. The truth.
Put your hand down, sir.
¿Ya puede bajar la mano, señor?
Sir, do you understand? Are you a United States citizen, sir?
Señor, ¿es usted ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
No.
No.
Do you understand that a conviction of this nature, if you're not a United States citizen, can potentially implicate immigration issues?
¿Y comprende usted que una condena de este tipo de delito puede posiblemente causarle consecuencias con inmigración?
Sí.
Yes.
Have you consulted with the immigration attorney, sir?
¿Y usted ya ha hablado con un abogado de inmigración, señor?
No.
No.
Would you like me to give you an opportunity to do so before you enter into this plea?
¿Le gustaría a usted que yo le dé la oportunidad de hablar con un abogado de inmigración antes de que yo acepte su declaración de culpable?
No, así está bien, mejor así.
No, it's okay this way. It's better like this.
Okay, sir, do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y comprende usted, señor, que la pena máxima posible en este caso serían 93 días en la cárcel y o $500 en multas?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Y comprende usted, señor, que usted tiene un derecho absoluto de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
You understand by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Y comprende usted que al aceptar esta oferta, usted renuncia a su derecho de tener un juicio?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
¿Y alguien le ha ofrecido a usted algo diferente de lo que ya hemos dicho para que conste en el acta?
Me dijeron que si no estaba el oficial que iban a borrar los cargos.
Well, I had been told that if the police officer wasn't here, then they were going to drop the charges.
Police officer is here. Miss Officer Sears, can you put your appearance on the record?
Pero
Strike that.
No.
Strike that. That's not Sears. Okay, listen. If you want to see if the charges can get dropped, sir, you're gonna have to set a trial date. You can't do any worse. You can only do better, or it's gonna stay the same. I can give you a trial date on February 1st, 03, and we can see if the officer shows up.
Señor, si es que usted quiere ver si le pueden quitar los cargos si un policía no se presenta, pues entonces yo le puedo dar una fecha para un juicio. Y en ese día, si el policía no se presenta, entonces los cargos quedan desestimados. La verdad es que no le perjudica tener otra fecha. Le puedo dar la fecha del 1 de febrero del 2023. Si llega el policía y comparece, entonces la oferta que le hemos hecho hoy la tiene aún.
No, mejor deme la sentencia ahorita, ya sí.
No, just go ahead and give me my sentence now.
Okay. Let me draw your attention back to May the 27th, 2021 at around 11:06 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Livernois and Clayton Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Así que, señor, permíteme refrescarle la memoria. El día es el 27 de mayo del 2021, aproximadamente a las 11:06 de la noche, en la ciudad de Detroit, en el área de las calles de Livernois y Clayton. ¿Tuvo usted ocasión de encontrarse con un policía del Departamento de Policía de la ciudad de Detroit?
No. Oh, sí.
No. Oh, yes.
Perdón, no le entendí, señora. ¿Cómo me encontré? No entendí la palabra.
Excuse me, madam, I didn't understand. Did I meet with a police officer? I didn't understand the word.
Did you get pulled over driving a motor vehicle on that day by the Detroit Police Department?
Si es que lo pararon usted ese día cuando iba manejando un vehículo motorizado y quien lo paró usted fue un policía del departamento de la ciudad de Detroit.
Sí.
Yes.
And you were operating a motor vehicle on that day, sir?
Y ese día usted iba manejando un vehículo motorizado, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
You have some alcohol in that vehicle?
¿Y es cierto que había alcohol dentro del vehículo?
La verdad, yo esa cerveza yo no la había mirado, es que como ya era noche, estaba en la casa de unos amigos y me subí a la troca y me vine para la casa, pero esa cerveza no estaba de mi lado, o sea que alguien la había dejado ahí, pero yo me subí y como ya era noche, no presté atención que estaba esa cerveza destapada, pero no era mía porque
Un momento, señor. Señor,
yo
un
llevaba...
momento. Señor, un momento.
Okay.
To tell you the truth, that's the beer that was there. I had not seen it. It was nighttime. It was dark. I was coming from a friend's house, and the beer was not on my side where I was sitting. Someone had left it there.
All right, we're gonna have him back for a trial.
Bien, así que vamos a pedirle a usted que usted regrese para tener un juicio.
February 1st, 2023 at 9 a.m. Come back February 1st, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right, sir?
Queremos que usted regrese el 1 de febrero del 2023 a las 9 de la mañana. En ese día es que vamos a tener un juicio para usted, señor.
En febrero.
1 de febrero.
Okay. Pero, oiga, pero no, bueno, eso es ya lo que dijo, ya así, ok, está bien.
Well, but couldn't I? Well, that's what he said, so it's okay.
February 1st, 2023 trial date, 9 a.m. Come on back on that date, okay?
Así que regrese usted el 1 de febrero del 2023 a las 9 de la mañana. Esa es la fecha que tenemos ya programada para usted para tener un juicio. Regrese ese día. ¿Está bien?
Señora, pero dígale que pues mejor pues me doy culpable de todo eso. Es que la verdad yo quiero arreglar las cosas.
But ma'am, tell him that I'm going to plead guilty. I just want to take care of this.
Like, come on back, take care of it on February 1st. Have a great day. Have a safe and happy holiday season, sir.
Ya es muy tarde para hacer eso. Regrese la fecha que le di el 1 de febrero. Le deseamos un buen día y también le deseamos unos días feriados felices y seguros.
Feliz Navidad a todos.
Merry Christmas to all.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Alejandro Tapia Ramirez. Case number U64796822. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
I'm going to be able to represent the defendant if you don't mind. Harry Bachman for the defendant. State your name, sir.
Alejandro Tapia Ramirez.
Harry Bachman for Mr. Tapia Ramirez. Judge, today's the date and time for a trial with recognize and acknowledge the presence of the good officer from the Detroit Police Department. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Officer Sears, badge 3938, Detroit Police Department.
Judge, the defendant is going to hear now waive his right to any trial pursuant to the recommendation. He's going to plead guilty. Thank you.
All right, you want to do that, sir? I'm going to order you to do 12 hours of community service, close it out under disorderly conduct. If everything is completed, order you to do a misdemeanor morality class and get tested HIV STD, which will be private to you. I just need to know that you tested. You'll be with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center. Do you want to do that, sir?
Yes.
Is this phone number good? 313-413-1118?
Yes.
313-413-1118. All right. Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing?
Yes.
You can put your hand down, please. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand? Let's strike that 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand that by taking this offer, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
You understand that the United States citizen of conviction for this type of nature can potentially implicate immigration issues.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so let me draw your attention back to September 7th, 2022 at around 10 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Michigan and Proctor Street. Sir, did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
On September the 7th, 2022, in the area of Michigan and Proctor in the city of Detroit, around that date and time, did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
On that date and time, sir, where did you offer money in exchange for an act of sexual gratification?
Yes, Your Honor.
And okay, I'm satisfied. Are you satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Find the client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct as 12 hours of community service, misdemeanor morality class, HIV, STD testing. I need you to take the number down to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir.
Okay, I'm ready, Your Honor.
313-879. 879-2155.
You said 879-2155?
Correct.
Okay.
I'm going to give you until February 22nd, 2023 at 8:25 to complete those hours, sir, and do the necessary things. Contact Mr. Phillips this afternoon so he can get you set up. And if there's nothing further, sir, you have a safe, happy holiday season. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. God bless.
You as well. This is the city of Detroit versus Mara Isa Nahas. Case number SP 1408111. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant Nahas, state your full name.
He doesn't have his audio connected. Please send my note. I don't think he'll get it, but we'll try. All right, I sent him that note. We'll move on. I know that I have Mr. I got Chavez, I got Mr. Gomez, Claudio. He needs to get an offer from, I need to get that offer from Mr. Goss.
He doesn't understand English. He doesn't speak English.
We have an interpreter. Tell him I'm just waiting on an offer from the city attorney. We'll get him out of here as soon as I get that offer.
Señor, usted tiene un intérprete presente, no se preocupe. Lo que hacemos ahora es estamos esperando que venga una oferta de parte de la fiscalía para que se pueda resolver el caso. Espere tantito.
Okay, gracias. That's the one you
Okay, thank you.
That's the one you needed to see the actual ticket, Mr. Goss. We got the actual ticket here.
Okay, I'm headed to your courtroom now then.
Mark.
Hi.
Hey, how are you? All right. Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Kyler. Case number SP 136-11891, SP 136-11901. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello.
Hello.
Elwood S. Berry. Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of Ms. Lorick, state your full name, Ms. Lorick.
Carolina Lorick.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Lorick, do you have a valid driver's license? Ms. Lorick?
Yes.
Listen, your offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. You want to take the deal, ma'am? I'll close the other case out.
Okay.
You have an absolute right to a trial, ma'am, if you want to, and you can speak to Mr. Barry in the breakout room. What would you like to do?
Yes.
What would you like to do?
Can I say something on my behalf?
You say what?
You going in and out?
You're going in and out. You want to speak to Mr. Barry? All right, she has a bad connection. And there she goes. All right, this is, let's go back on the record with Mr. Mahas. Mr. Mahas, can you state your name for the record, please? Oh, I need an interpreter. Ms. Villaroo.
Mr.
How we call the case? This is the city of Detroit versus Marha Isa Nahas, case number SP 1408111.
Yes.
For the record, please.
Yes, Maher Nahas.
He may need an Arabic interpreter, Your Honor.
Are you Arabic, sir?
Yes.
Do you need an interpreter?
Yeah, I got my son here. Is that okay with him?
No, I gotta get you a court-appointed interpreter. No, let's see this. Do you state your name for the record?
Maher Nahas.
All right, do you have valid insurance
going out
here?
too.
Yes.
Let's see what you have.
I got my insurance the same day I got the ticket here.
That doesn't help. Let's see what you have. Hold it up so I can see it, please.
Okay.
Can't believe it.
All right, go back down. All right, no, down. All right, slide it over to the right. All right, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. Oh, I'm sorry. What you said? I'm sorry.
Let your son tell you, I'm going to dismiss the case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further,
Thank you, Honor.
have a safe and happy holiday season, please.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you and Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, Mrs. Larg, do you have a better connection now? You're free to leave, Mr. Nas.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Ms. Larg, do you have a better connection? No.
She wants to have a device in her hand.
Is she? Ms. Larg,
Yes.
do you have a better connection now?
Yes.
Okay, very well, ma'am. Let's go back on the record with Kyra Renee Lard. Ma'am, do you want to take the offer of blocking traffic, $175 in lieu of fines in lieu of the and amended from the wrong way driving?
Yes.
All right. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counsel?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. That's a 0-point offense, ma'am. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, so it won't carry any points. And what stipulates the probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Lord, when can you pay? All right, we lost her again. Yeah, no, he doesn't. Two violations. All right, Ms. Laura, did you hear that?
Yeah.
$175. When can you pay?
Can I pay the first 2 weeks in January?
I'm gonna give you until January 25th,
Thank you.
2023 to pay it at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come down to the courthouse and pay it, all right?
Okay, and that'd be 175, you said, for the
Yeah,
roadway?
no points. It's like an expensive parking ticket, yes.
Thank you.
All right, have a safe, happy holiday season, Ms. Laura.
Yes, I do.
All right.
I haven't
bye-bye.
did the one for the insurance.
We dismissed that one.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. That's your Christmas
Merry
present.
Christmas.
Yeah,
Merry Christmas.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's go with, what about Mr. Chavez Bass? Open intox passenger. You're ready for the officers here. Yeah. This is I'll give him an opportunity to speak to the lawyer. Speak to Mr. Chavez Batts, Mr. Blockman, and I'm gonna put him in break two.
Okay.
Offer is open intox in a motor vehicle passing.
Understood. I'll be in room 2 and
maybe Miss Villaroo can go in there as well. I don't know if he needs an interpreter. You can check Miss Villaroo.
All right. Thank you.
Tell him to join that room. There he is.
¿Necesita irse al cuarto donde lo están invitando a pasar?
Juan Romero, did we get him? We got him done, huh? Labardo. Figueroa. Let's get these under the breakout. Let's get them off for gates. This is going to be the city of Detroit. If I can get her out of the room. Mr. Berry, can you go in room 4 and get this lady out, please?
Yes, sir.
you took them out before?
No, I think they're all, I thought they were all, I didn't see.
Assessments. Right?
No, I don't think so. Doesn't have to be that way. Usually if it's in the fall, we have a late something by it. Is she back? All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Yolanda Nunsell Latham, case number SP 1366451. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Latham. State your full name, Ms. Latham.
Shalonda Mazel Latham.
Good morning, ma'am. Sorry to mispronounce
Good
your
morning.
name. All right. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You got two options, ma'am. You can pay this $240 and I'll dismiss it, or this is allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. I have no comments on the page. You have an absolute right to a trial. You can come back on February 2nd, ma'am, and see if the officer can prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. If he can't, we'll close the case out, or if the officer doesn't show, we'll dismiss the case. What would you want to do, ma'am? You can speak to Mr. Berry to help you make a decision if you need to.
I do. I want to talk to him.
Okay, join that breakout room, Mr. Berry, and rejoin that room, Miss Lady.
Okay.
All right. This license. And I have the date of birth. M-E-N-D-E-Z.
Edward.
And then date of birth was 10/23/69. All right, are we ready on Chavez Bats?
Yeah.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Santiago Chavez Bats, case numbers SP 1398938, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Santiago Chávez Batts. Números de caso SP 1398938, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your full name, please?
Buenos días, soy el abogado Harry Buffin, representando al acusado. Usted, señor, diga su nombre, por favor.
Santiago Chávez Batts.
Santiago Chávez Batts.
Also present for trial is an officer from the department. Would you state your name?
Y también presente para el juicio que teníamos para hoy es el policía. Diga usted su nombre.
Yes, it's Officer Juan Rizzo, badge number 3808, Detroit Police Department, 4th Precinct.
Thank you and good morning, Your Honor. The defendant is going to waive his right to any trial today and plead guilty.
Sí, habla el policía Juan Rizzo, número de chapa 3808 del Departamento de Policía de la Ciudad de Detroit, el precinto número 4. Su señoría, el acusado renuncia a tener un juicio hoy y quiere declararse culpable.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Chavez Batts?
¿Y eso es lo que usted quiere hacer, señor Chávez Batts?
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Chavez Batts, are you a United States citizen?
Y señor Chávez Batts, ¿es usted ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
No.
No.
You understand conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues if you're not a United States citizen, sir?
¿Y comprende usted que una condena de un delito menor puede causarle consecuencias con inmigración si usted no es ciudadano de los Estados Unidos?
Sí.
Yes.
Sir, do you want to have the opportunity to go speak with a immigration attorney before you enter into this?
¿No le gustaría a usted tener la oportunidad de hablar con un abogado de inmigración antes de que usted se declare culpable?
¿Es necesario o?
Is it necessary?
Well, you want to know your rights, right?
Bueno, usted quiere saber cuáles son sus derechos, ¿no?
It is
Pues,
important.
está bien.
Es importante.
Ok, está bien.
Okay, that's fine.
Your Honor, would you please consider allowing a short period of time and adjournment of today's matter so that the defendant can consult with an immigration attorney? Unless there's an objection.
¿Pudiera usted, por favor, darle un tiempito más breve para tener un aplazamiento para que tenga tiempo de consultar con un abogado de inmigración?
All right, I think that that's good cause to do that. It is a very important to speak with an immigration attorney. I don't know if this is a crime of moral turpitude or not, but it definitely is a misdemeanor. And I'll give you that opportunity.
Bueno, yo pienso que hay buena razón para hacer esto. Pienso que es muy importante que él pueda hablar con un abogado de inmigración. La verdad es que yo no sé si esto es un delito de vileza moral, pero sí sabemos que es un delito.
All right, I'm going to give you I'm going to adjourn the hearing until October 25th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'm going to give you an opportunity to consult with the immigration attorney, sir. Come back on February 25th, 2023, and I hope you have a copy of your ticket when you go to speak with that attorney.
Así que, señor, vamos a aplazar su caso. Le vamos a dar la fecha del 25 de febrero del 2023 a las 8:30 de la mañana para que usted regrese. Así que va a tener usted tiempo para consultar con un abogado de inmigración. Cuando usted regrese, por favor, traiga una copia. Cuando usted vaya a presentarse con su abogado de inmigración, por favor, lleve una copia de su boleta de infracción para que él sepa cuáles son los cargos.
Ok.
Okay.
All right. There's nothing further, sir. Come back on February the 25th at 8:30 a.m. and we'll see what happens on that date. All right.
Si no tiene alguna otra pregunta, señor, le pedimos que regrese el 25 de febrero del 2023 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a safe and happy holiday season, sir. Good luck to you.
Y si no hay nada más, le quiero desear unos días feriados muy felices y seguros y le deseo a usted buena suerte.
Ok, una pregunta, ¿cuál tengo que consultar con el abogado?
Yes, thank you. And I have a question for you. Which immigration attorney do I consult?
You have to look one up yourself, sir. You have to find one yourself.
Usted tendría que encontrar uno usted mismo.
Ok, pero usted, ¿qué es lo que tengo que consultar con él?
Okay, but what is it that I need to consult about with him?
Speak to him back in the breakout room, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Le vamos a volver a hablar a usted en la sala de consulta
He
privada.
doesn't
Okay?
want to continue on with the plea.
Okay.
All right.
We're in room 2.
Back in room 2, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Latham. Mrs. Latham, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in the breakout room, ma'am. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, the defendant requires a bench trial.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Ms. Latham?
Yes.
All right, let's give you a trial date. I will put it on the days, on the community court date. Let's give you a trial date of February 2nd, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a safe and happy holiday season. I'll see you in the new year, okay?
All right, you too. Thank you.
All right.
I can leave, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Hello,
Hello, how are you, Ms. Walker?
I'm good. Yeah.
You have a valid driver's license, ma'am?
No, I don't have a valid one. But
what one do you have?
no, I don't have a valid one. But I wasn't driving. I was my car was parked, and I had called.
This is the city of Detroit versus Renisha Oli Monet Walker, case number SP 1397094, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Walker.
All right.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. And based on what your client told the court off the record, I guess this should just go straight to trial.
I agree, Your Honor.
Okay, you understand what's going on, Ms. Walker?
Yes.
Yes, all right. So I'm going to give you a trial date of February 1st, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a safe, happy holiday season, ma'am, and good luck to you. I'll see you back in the new year.
You too. Thank you.
All right.
We haven't been able to get Mr. Chavez back into room 2.
Mr. Chavez Bass, you there?
Señor Chávez Batz está presente, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
You have to go into the breakout room.
Cuando reciba usted la invitación para pasar a la sala de consulta, por favor acepte la invitación para que se reúna con nosotros.
Okay.
All right. Do you know how to get here?
Excuse me.
Hold on a second, sir.
Okay.
Where's Mr. Goss? Ramos. Let's see what Ramos is. What do you need, Mr. Gates?
I want to know, have you called my name yet?
No, not yet.
Okay, thank you.
All right, he's in the room now, Mr. Bachman and Ms. Villaroo. Mr. Fuentes, do you need an interpreter, sir? Mr. Fuentes.
Hi, sorry, I was muted for accident.
You need an interpreter?
Yeah, he's gonna need an interpreter.
Okay, we'll wait till the interpreter comes back then. He has leaving the scene of a failure to report an accident. They're probably gonna need to have a trial on that to get the officer in here, Mr. Barry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Tiempo para tiempo para interpretador.
Mr. Ludwig. Mr. Ludwig.
Hello?
Mr. Ludwig.
Yes.
Good morning to you. Do you have a registration? Do you have registration and insurance, sir, for this vehicle?
Actually, that vehicle is totaled. The engine seized about a month back.
Do you have a current vehicle now?
Yes, I do.
Do you have registration and insurance for that vehicle?
Yes, I do. One moment. My insurance is over my phone. It's an app for Progressive.
Let me put my information in the chat and you can email it to me.
Okay.
Information is in the chat. Let me see the registration quickly. And the quicker you can give me that insurance, I will be able to get you out of here.
Okay, 2 seconds. I just have to get my registration. One moment.
All right, let me see the registration. Did you give me the registration?
No, 1 second, sir. It's in my car. I'm getting it out of my car right now.
All right. Well, when I see it, I'll call the case.
I got you. 2 moments.
Yo le di todavía.
just got a new one.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Mr. Goldsmith, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Good morning to you. What about
Good morning.
registration and insurance?
Say that again.
Yeah, registration and insurance.
I don't even have a vehicle no more, sir.
Do you have a vehicle? Can you take your hat off, please? Are you outside?
No, sir.
What about registration? What about a vehicle? Do you have a vehicle?
Yes, I have a vehicle. It was totaled about 2 months ago.
So do you have a vehicle now?
Yeah, no, I don't have a vehicle now. No, not an operatable. Nope.
You don't have any vehicle now?
Nope. Not that I'm driving. Nope. I had one in my name, but I don't drive it.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Say that again.
I said I don't know about buy that.
No, it was in the accident. Had an accident report and everything.
Okay. Mr. Goss? What is your date of birth, sir? Why is this coming up on this Bartley? Can you pull this up to see? Okay, all of this is on one sheet. All right. Where is Mr. Goss? Your birthday is 1990, sir? Mr. Goldsmith?
Yes, sir.
Is it 1990?
Yes, sir.
You say yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, let me take a minute and get Mr. Goss in here.
I'm here, Your Honor.
And Mr. Goldsmith, I need an offer for Mr. Goldsmith. I need an offer for Mr. Goldsmith. And I need an offer for, I need you to look at Mr. Brian Gates again for me, please. And then
I'm headed to the courtroom.
Please.
Ready on Chavez Batch, Your Honor.
What does he want to do?
We asked for a next action date. He's going to consult with some immigration attorneys. I've given him some names and numbers.
Así que va a ser el señor Paz. Yo hablé con él, su señoría, y le di los nombres de unos abogados de inmigración. Él va a consultar con uno de ellos.
Where's Chavez Batch? All right, is he out of the room?
He's ready. Mr. Chavez Batz.
Señor Chavez Batz.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Chavez Batz. Mr. Batz, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room regarding the matter. He indicated that you're going to go to the immigration attorney. So come back on for a pretrial on January the 25th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Okay?
Señor Batz, sé que le di la oportunidad a usted de hablar con un abogado. Está silenciado, prenda el micrófono. Le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Así que regrese usted aquí para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Es la próxima fecha, el 25 de enero del 2023 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Batts, have a safe and happy holiday season. Good luck. Hold on.
Y si no hay nada adicional, señor Batts, feriados muy felices.
No, Mr. Batts?
Oh. Your Honor, would you like the interpreter to repeat what was said for Mr. Batts?
Yes.
Yes. Señor Batts, le dio usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Así que lo que vamos a hacer es darle a usted una fecha nueva. Es para la consulta. Le pedimos a usted que regrese el 25 de enero del 2023 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
Si no hay nada más, le deseamos unos días felices y seguros, unos días feriados felices y seguros.
Okay. Y la otra fecha que me dieron la otra vez ya no es entonces.
Okay, and what about that other date that I had been given before?
January 25th. Come on back on that date and let us know what the attorney says.
La fecha que necesita regresar es el 25 de enero. Regrese ese día y déjenos saber lo que le dijo usted el abogado de inmigración o la abogada de inmigración.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, have a great
Enero,
holiday.
That's January, right?
January 25th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m.
El 25 de enero del 2023 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
Okay.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Que pase usted muy buen día.
Gracias igual.
Thank you, same to you.
Did we already take care of Gomez, Rulas, Claudio?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. We gotta get him out of here. I have him here. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus, or let me stop. Mr. Boffman, go in the breakout room with Mr. Fuentes and Miss Villaroo needs to stay here for this.
Yes.
I still need that insurance, Mr. Ludwig. I have the registration. I need the insurance.
I'm sending the insurance over right now. I had to do it separately. I
This
couldn't
is
do
the
it.
city of Detroit versus Claudio Gomez Rulas. Case numbers SP 140817, 2 counts 2 and counts 3. SP 140818, 1 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 140814, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 140840, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos al caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Claudio Gómez Ruelas. Números de caso SP1408460, cargos 1 y 2. SP1408414, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Nombre es Claudio Israel Gómez Ruelas.
Claudio Gómez Ruelas. Claudio Israel Gómez Ruelas.
There is no Bluetooth phone connected. Pair a Bluetooth phone and connect for your call. To place a call using your OnStar personal calling minutes.
Harry Boffman for the defendant.
Y soy Harry Boffman representando al acusado.
Okay, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Arraignment in the matter. Go ahead, Mr. Bob.
Así que, señor, esta es la hora que teníamos programada para tener la lectura de cargos. Puede proceder, señor.
We thank the court for its reading of the charges and ask for a not guilty plea to be entered for arraignment purpose.
Le damos gracias a la corte por la lectura de cargos y pedimos que la corte haga una declaración de no culpable.
All right, I'm going to enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give him a $0 bond.
Judge.
At this time, his offer is going to be pleading to the accident and the expired plates, those are two civil infractions. He'll get some points for the accident, no points for the expired plates, and in lieu of fines and costs, allow him to do 6 hours of community service.
Así que voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente. Le doy una fianza de $0. Si él se declara culpable, esta es la oferta, si él se declara culpable a 2 cargos de que causó un accidente y que tenía las placas vencidas, estos 2 cargos son infracciones civiles, no son delitos. Entonces, le pedimos que él cumpla 6 horas de servicio comunitario. Por tener el accidente, puede que le pongan algunos puntos en la licencia de conducir, pero para las placas vencidas es 0 puntos.
He has an absolute right to a trial, and he can, I can put him in a breakout room to speak with you if he needs help making an informed decision.
¿Puedo hacer una pregunta?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, you can repeat, say that to him, the absolute right to a trial.
Señor, el juez quiere que usted sepa que usted tiene un derecho absoluto a tener un juicio. Si usted quiere tiempo para hablar de esto con su abogado defensor, lo podemos pasar a una sala de consulta privada.
Lo que pasa que
I'm going to put you in a breakout room and speak to Mr. Baldwin regarding your question, okay?
Lo vamos a pasar a usted a una sala de consulta para que pueda hablar con el abogado Baughman con respecto a su caso. ¿Está bien?
Okay.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Hello. All right, let's go Ludwig. This is the city of Detroit. This is the city of Detroit versus Jeremy Alexander Ludwig. Case numbers SP 1184578, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Lefty.
Jeremy Alexander Lefty.
All right, there's the date and time set for a briefing on the matter. Go ahead, Counselor.
We'd waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
And I under not guilty plea on your client's behalf, I'll give your client a $0 bond. And Mr. Ludwig, I will, at this time, dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. And I will waive the warrant fee. If there's no further questions, sir, you have a safe and happy holiday season. Good luck to you.
You too. Happy holidays.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
What are you saying now?
I'm thinking the same thing, because he got the cross.
Let's see Goldsmith first. See, I got Goldsmith. The Goldsmith only has this default was 2020. It was the system and 9.5. It hit the system on 4/13. So we're going to set that aside on that. Oh, you can just dismiss the misdemeanor. Why can't he get it? He paid he already paid an unsafe manner that came out of those 3 expired license for insurance, no restrictions. So he got 6 dismissal. He already paid. That's
Right now, he only have.
He has a seatbelt ticket and a center left to center. And then he paid an unsafe manner. Then he has to put 3 driving while license expired, no insurance and non-registered. This is the city of Detroit versus Gregory Goldsmith. Case number SP 1252763, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1252767, counts 1 and counts 2. And SP 1352864, counts 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of Mr. Goldsmith, state your full name, Mr. Goldsmith.
Gregory Eugene Goldsmith.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, we'll enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. All right, Mr. Goss, I didn't see the other two. He has a driving while license suspended, no insurance, misdemeanor, unregistered title, indicates to this that his car is now destroyed. He paid a related civil infraction with those first 3 cases of an unsafe manner accident. So you incurred some points just by the mere fact that you paid the ticket. You automatically accepted responsibility. He paid, and that ticket, you know, is kind of unfair. He paid a late fee. He paid $242. He paid a late fee and $210. And that ticket was offense date was made on 9/25/2021. The ticket never hit the system until 4/13/2022. So, what do you want from this person, Mr. Goss?
I dismissed the misdemeanor, Your Honor, and I just dismissed them all due to paying the unsafe.
All right, sir, you're getting a break here because you did. I don't recommend you just going to paying tickets because you got the points on your license for the paying those tickets. So the city is going to dismiss the cases for your already incurring the points and already spending money plus a late fee on that ticket that you paid. All right.
I wish the clerk would have told me about it, because I was asking her, I was trying to go get my license. So I was asking, do I need to pay the ticket? I mean, I thought it was gonna be a court matter, but she told me I need to pay it. It just is, it's a default. She told me it was a default ticket.
You don't get your legal advice from the clerk. You gotta get yourself a lawyer, sir.
Oh, sorry.
So it's basically. All right, so here we go, sir. Here's the deal. Mr. Berry, you want to see if you can help him out on this one that he pled to, that he paid without the representation of a lawyer?
Your Honor, I move the court to set aside the default based on that failure to have sought legal counsel.
No objections, Your Honor.
Okay, with no objections here, no objections, I'm gonna set aside that responsible plea. Here's the new deal, sir. It's gonna cost you another $175. What will happen is, we'll set aside that responsible plea. You'll enter a plea of blocking traffic on that. That'll be a wash for that one. For this other moving violation, it'll be another $175 blocking traffic. Again, you'll have no points on your driving record, and you'll pay another $175, and then that other point ticket will fall off. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
And then we'll dismiss all the misdemeanors, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, will your client stipulate to the basis of the tickets for an accurate factual basis for those responsible, please?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm going to find you responsible for SP 125-27672 for the amended count of blocking traffic. That's $175. And I'm going to find you I'm going to set aside the default for SP 125-27671, and I'm going to amend that to a blocking traffic. And we'll close that one out now and accept that payment that you already made as payment for that. And then which stipulates the probable cause, will dismiss the other misdemeanors.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
When can you pay this 175, Mr. Goldsmith?
Before the New Year's. Within the 2-week period.
I'm gonna give you until January 4th, 2023 to pay it. Pay it at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come back down to the window and now you pay that 175. If there's nothing further, sir, I'm going to waive the warrant fees as well. I'm going to wish you a safe and happy holiday season. Good luck to you, all right?
Sorry to you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Okay, Mr. Parent.
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning to you, sir.
I'm free to go, sir.
Yeah, you're free to leave. This is City of Detroit versus Allen Clifford Parent, case number SP 1393625, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1404879, counts 1, 2, and 3. State of Michigan versus Allen Clifford Parent, SX 404462221. 19-38733381. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Parent. State your full name, Mr. Parent.
Allen Clifford Parent.
Okay, good morning.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on Mr. Parent's behalf. Give him a $0 bond. And I'm going to set aside the defaults on SP 1393625, counts 1, 2, and 3. I'll also set aside the defaults on SX 404462221. Allow Mr. Parent to be heard on those cases. Mr. Parent, the city wants you to take a driving course before he gives you an offer. You want to do that?
Yes, I could do that.
All right, I'm gonna put the driving course in the chat. With Mr. Goss. Mr. Goss. All right. The driving course is in the chat, sir. I'm going to give you until January 25th to do the course. I'll set a pretrial date of January 25th, 2023 at 8:30. Did you get the course?
No, I don't know how to check that, Your Honor.
Look down at the chat button down there.
So let's see.
On the bottom of your screen, it should be chat. Take a screenshot of that. You get that.
I still don't see it. Only thing that I'm seeing is other people's faces.
Go tap on the screen. Tap on the screen.
Okay. Now what do I press? Go to the chat
Chat.
where it says www.betterdrivers.com.
Yeah, take a screenshot of that and then send me the information before you come back to court, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, you have any further questions, sir?
How long do I have to do that again? You said, Your Honor?
I got you January 25th. January 25th, 2023 is a pretrial date.
Okay. Is that an online course or do I go in?
Yes, it's online.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a safe and happy holiday season. I'll see you back in the new year, all right?
Same to you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Brian Levert Gates. Case numbers SP 130-88651, SP 130-88811. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Gates. State your full name, Mr. Gates.
Brian Gates Jr.
All right. Today is the date and time set for pretrial in the matter. Thank you. Mr. Gates, here's your situation. You have, I would venture to say you don't have a driver's license.
Say it again.
I would venture to say that you don't have a driver's license.
I do have a driver's license.
Run his driver's license, please. Mr. Gentry, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All right, appreciate your patience, sir. What is your full name?
My name is Gentry Boydell Oden III.
Resolution drive. 835, page 3.
And page 2.
Okay. All right, you don't have a license, Mr. Gates. I didn't think you did. You probably have a piece of plastic that says
Yeah.
driver's license, on there, but it's no good.
Okay.
All right, so I can see that first and foremost, you owe two, what I can see down here, and I don't know about any other jurisdictions that are holding your license up. You owe 2 tickets that you failed to pay back in 2017, a no insurance civil infraction that is $215, and another let me see. So you write up for no insurance, civil infraction, and no civil infraction. Let's see here. $320.17. 218.17. Okay, so back to back, 1 month behind in 2017, you got 2 no insurance proof civil infractions. You owe 240 on one and 215 on the other. That's what's stopping you from getting your license.
Okay.
What do you want to do? You want to come back and pay those things and see if you can get a driver's license?
Yes, I have insurance now also.
So you can roll off in the new year with a license and not have to look over you. You didn't even know you didn't have a license. You knew you didn't have a license. You knew that license was no good.
Yeah, I thought you was asking like, did I physically have one?
All right. You want the case numbers you need to pay, sir, to get a license, or what do you want to do?
Yes.
Still leaving?
You said 2017. My last court date.
We're not talking about your last court date. This is civil infractions. I see that he paid for that case. And this is what the unfortunate part about it is. Well, that was a year, that was some years later. So yeah, you missed it back in 2017, sir. You missed the bus. You missed the bus. Those 2 tickets, you owe the court more money than that on some other charges, but those 2 tickets are holding your driver's license up.
Okay, how much are those tickets altogether?
215 and 240. So by my calculation, 455.
Okay, I can pay that as soon as possible.
All right. You want the case numbers, or you want to just come down and tell them no?
I'll just come down.
All right. I'm going to set a pretrial on these other cases, SP 130-88651 and SP 130-88811 for January 26, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. Bring a valid driver's license and valid insurance, and I'll dismiss those cases, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, don't pay that SP 130-88651. Pay the other ones, but don't pay that, because that's the one we're setting for pretrial, all right?
So just pay the 2 no insurance.
SP 833-0522.
Hold on, let me write that down.
I figured, I mean.
Okay, you said it's hard to hear you with that mask on.
It's not hard to hear me with a mask on. Everybody's birthday. SP 833-0522.
833-0522.
SP 856, 8453. Those are the two tickets that are holding you up.
And you said SP 85. What was the rest?
68.
68
53.
453. Okay, I got them.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a safe and happy holiday season. I'll see you back January 26, 2022 at 2023 at 8:30 a.m. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Join the room for Mr. Fuentes, Mr. Boffman. Are you here, Mr. Boffman?
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Villaroo, join breakout room 2 for Ms. Fuentes.
Will do, Your Honor.
He has this leaving the scene, property damage, personal injury accident. We're gonna need to set a trial date to get the officer in here and hear what is their position, all right?
Understood.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Gentry Bodell Oden III. Case number SP 11881601, SP 120164661, SP 1401628, SP 1401629, SP 1402009, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
L.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Oden. State your full name, sir.
My name is Gentry Bodell Oden III.
All right, today is the date and time set for a arraignment. I mean, pre-trial. Sorry, thank you. I have nothing but ROAs first and foremost. He has some egregious violation allegations of this of all of these tickets that are sort of of the same occurrence except for the reckless driving. So he's just got multiple moving violations. I can set a trial date, or I can allow him to take the the driving course if he chooses to. And then we'll come back and see if we can get him an offer. But the offer for at least the reckless driving is going to at least be only reduced to a 4-point offense of drag racing amended count. Why don't you speak with him in the breakout room, Mr. Berry, so that you can help him to see if you can help him make an informed decision. I'm going to assign you to breakout room 4, sir. Mr. Ramos, Mr. Fuentes, you have to join the breakout room.
Hi.
You have to join the breakout room. They're waiting on you. Ms. Villaroo and Mr. Boffman, can you have them join the breakout room?
Señor Selvin,
We can just do this live right here. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Salvan Ramos Fuentes, case number SP 139-06411, SP 1406766, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1406761. Appearance for the record, please.
llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Selvin Ramos Fuentes, número de caso SP 1406766, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y caso SP 1406768, cargo 1, SP 139064111. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten.
Sí, mi nombre es Selvin. Sí, mi nombre es Selvin Ricardo Ramos Fuentes, pero antes de iniciar todo yo quería decir algo que es muy importante para la corte. Hay un error.
Un momento.
Okay.
Yes, my name is Selvin Ricardo Ramos Fuentes, but before we begin, I wanted to say something that is to the court that is very important.
Before you say anything, sir, please allow me to speak on your behalf. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Antes de que usted diga algo, necesito hablar con el abogado defensor primero.
Okay.
Join the breakout, please.
Pase ahora a la sala de consulta privada. Cuando reciba la invitación, acepte. Toque en la pantalla para pasar a la sala de consulta.
Who's on the iPhone there? iPhone, can you unmute yourself, please?
Miss me,
What's your name, sir?
Claudio.
Mr. Fuentes, you have to go in the breakout room, Mr. Fuentes.
I'm sorry, I'm not getting the invitation. I'm not seeing nothing.
Hold on, don't do it yet. Hold on. Do it now, number 2.
Me, Claudio.
Claudio,
Yes.
didn't we already help you?
You got traductor? A ver, déjame ayudar.
Okay, good, okay, all right. That's all, 6 hours of community service. All right, hold on 1 second, Claudio.
Okay, thank you.
We lost Mr. Gentry. He never joined
Where's
the room.
Mr. Odin?
Mr. oh, goodness. Join the breakout room, Mr. Fuentes.
I am sorry, I cannot. I don't know how to do this. Like I cannot press accept or nothing. I don't see the option to move. Oh, I see now.
Where's Mr. Odin?
Mr. Odin left or just got disconnected or something. I'm going to set a trial date for Mr. Odin. He got disconnected somehow. He's been here since this morning, and I'll set it for 2 months out so that if he has some projection, he can come back in and we'll change it. February 23rd, 2023. He's back. All right, Mr. Gentry, can you join the breakout room and speak to Mr. Berry?
Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Judge. Go ahead. What were you saying?
Go ahead. Join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Berry.
Okay.
He's in there, Mr. Berry.
Okay.
I don't know where he went. I guess we can show he was here too. Caitlin Bowen will close that out. So it's Mr. Phillips, what about Edward Plata? All right, are we back on let's go back on the record with let's go back on the record with Mr. Did we call Fuentes?
We're ready.
Good. All right. Did we call Fuentes? We did.
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Fuentes. Mr. Fuentes, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Like I said before, this case is the one that is going to need to see the officer. Do you have any questions, Mr. Fuentes?
Bueno, señor, volvemos al caso del señor Fuentes. Señor, ¿tiene usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en la sala privada de consulta? Como le había dicho anteriormente, este es un tipo de caso donde necesitamos que el policía esté presente, que comparezca. ¿Tiene usted alguna pregunta, señor?
No.
No.
I will set a trial date for February 1st, 2023 for Mr. Fuentes. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you have a safe and happy holiday season, all right?
Muy bien, así que le vamos a dar la fecha del 1 de febrero del 2023. Esta es la fecha para el juicio. Y si no tiene usted alguna otra pregunta, le deseo a usted unos días feriados muy felices y seguros.
Perdón, la hora no especificó.
Excuse me, what time? The time. A las 9 de la mañana.
¿Y va a ser online o?
Yes.
And will this be online? Sí.
Okay.
Bien, good.
Okay. If there's nothing further, sir, have a safe and happy holiday season. Good luck to you.
Y si no hay nada más, señor, le deseo a usted unos días feriados muy felices y seguros y le deseo a usted buena suerte.
Ok, muchas gracias y feliz holidays a él también.
Okay, thank you very much and happy holidays to you as well.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, this is, let's go back on the record. Claudio Gomez Ruelas.
Yes, it's me.
Ahora volvemos en el acta con el caso de Claudio Gómez Ruelas.
Who was handling this case?
¿Tienes caso?
I was, Your Honor.
Fui yo, su señoría.
What did we have? Did Mr. Roy, did the phone disconnect or something? Why did we stop?
¿Y por qué paramos? ¿Es que se desconectó o algo? ¿Por qué paramos?
Se desconectó.
It said disconnect. I'm sorry.
Okay, so the offer was pleading as charged to the accident and the expired plates. I'll close both the cases out upon completion of 12 hours of community service and dismiss the rest of the matters. You want to take that deal, sir? You have an absolute right to a trial.
Así que la oferta que se le propone, señores, que se declare tal como lo han acusado de que ocurrió un accidente y que tenía las placas vencidas. Si se declara a estos dos acusaciones, le damos a usted 12 horas de servicio comunitario y tan pronto las haya terminado, el caso queda desestimado y los otros dos cargos quedan cerrados.
And we got an opportunity to speak about this, and he's asking for a waiver trial date by way of Zoom, please, and thank you.
A mí me gustaría decir algo con respecto a este caso, su señoría. Mi cliente está pidiendo que le den un juicio tan solo con un juez y que sea por Zoom. Gracias.
Okay, we'll give him a trial date of February 1st, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Muy bien, le damos a él la fecha del 1 de febrero del 2023 a las 9 de la mañana.
Okay.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a safe and happy holiday season. Good luck to you, okay?
Así que si no hay nada más, señor, le deseo a usted unos días feriados felices y seguros y buena suerte.
Gracias igualmente. Feliz Navidad y Año Nuevo.
Thank you. I wish you the same. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Very well. All right, let's go back on the record with Gentry. You're free to leave, sir. Let's go back on the record. Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Gentry Bodell Oden III. Mr. Bodell Oden III, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in the breakout room. Mr. Berry, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, he'd like to take the course, Your Honor, return with a certificate.
All right, I can set a trial date as well. I don't have anything but ROAs in the file. I will give him this opportunity. Go ahead.
Yeah, I agree. Let's set a trial date. He'll return with a certificate.
And then you return with the certificate, sir. Are you there, Mr. Gentry?
Yeah, I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, you return with you can take the course. We'll set a trial date. Take the course in the meantime. It can't hurt. It can only help. Set a trial date for February 23rd, 2023. I'll put the course in the chat. You see it in the chat. You can take a screenshot of that. My email is in the chat. Send me the course ahead of your next court date, the certificate, and then we will get these matters some resolution on the 23rd of February. All right.
Okay. And what time did you say, Your Honor?
9 a.m.
Okay.
It shouldn't be as crowded because I'm not bringing you back on the community court date. All right.
Okay. You said it's nothing but what are ROIs?
ROAs, registers of actions. I don't have an actual ticket, and if the city doesn't come up with the actual ticket by the time now in the next court date, we'll dismiss the cases. Okay. If they do, you still take the course. It'll mitigate some of the things, and we'll have a decision to make on the 23rd.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Appreciate you, sir.
Appreciate you. Have a safe, happy holiday season. I appreciate your patience, sir. See you back in the new year.
Thank you. You guys have a happy holiday.
All right, thank you. Okay. I think that will do it. One
Yes.
thing, Mr. or Ms. Quinteo or Mr. Phillips, I have Mr. Eduardo Garcia. Eduardo Plata. And his name has come up a few different times.
Yes.
He's on a review. What's going on with him?
Well, we don't have a Mr. Plata in our system, so he probably didn't show up.
Okay, so he never showed up because he's here for a review.
Okay. We don't have him in our system.
Okay.
And there was some confusion with that, Your Honor, because we had an Eric Plata and Eduardo Plata, and the last session, there was some confusion about them being siblings. And so we did service Eric Plata back a few months, but Eduardo Plata never came to our agency.
Seems like Eduardo Plata pled guilty on July 21st, 2022. You did have, I do see the note about Eric Plata. That's in the file. Can you get in touch with his brother and have him come in? I remember both of them. Let's put a show pause on here.
Yeah, you spoke to him last week and you actually asked him to do the same. I see that Evelyn remembers as well as I do. There was a confusion between the two brothers.
That was just last week?
Just last week. Well, no, the week before, because you weren't in last week. So it was the week before.
I remember that. Let's show pause him and let's see if we can get in touch with Eric Plata. You have his number if it's still correct. And then tell him to get this. I need to see Eduardo.
All right, I'll look at his information and I'll send him a message.
Very well. Listen, this is it for the holiday. We'll see you back all in the new year. I want to thank everybody for all the excellent work everybody has done. Just phenomenal on the attorney side, on